Good day viewers, you are welcome to today's math class. So we are given this nice equation to solve. Let's find for the value of x. Firstly, to be able to simplify this in a nicer and more understanding way, let's say let p equals to e raised to power sine x, since e raised to power sine x is common in both. So therefore, when we have this, we are going to substitute it. For p, we have p raised to the power of -1 plus p is equals to 2. Recalling the property of indices, which says a raised to the power of -1 is equals to 1 over a. Therefore, here we have 1 over p plus p is equals to 2. Now, to eliminate this fraction, we'll need to multiply all through by p. So multiplying this by p, multiply this also by p, and multiply 2 by p. Therefore, we have p cancel p, we have 1. P times p, that's p squared plus p squared, and here we have 2p. You can see that this has changed to a quadratic equation. Therefore, let's put it in its general form, which is p squared minus 2p plus 1 is equals to 0. And if you solve the if you bring the two factor out, that whereby if you multiply it's going to give you p squared and add together it's going to give you minus 2p. The two factors are -1, minus p, and minus p. So let's substitute it here. We have p squared minus p plus p. Group it and factor out the common terms. What's common here? We have p. Therefore, we'll be left with p minus 1 into the bracket. Common here is just only 1. And we'll be left with p minus 1. So since this is common, factor it out. We have p minus 1, and the one outside also factor it out, p minus 1. Don't forget, both of these brackets is equals to 0. So when p is equals to 0, when p minus 1 is equals to 0, therefore p is going to give us 1 for both equations, for both brackets. Therefore 1 is twice, and we can just say that p is equals to 1. So let's recall back. Recall that e raised to the power sine x is equals to 1. Is equals to p rather, and we said p is equals to 1. So e raised to the power sine x is equals to 1. In order to eliminate e, we will need to take the natural log of both sides. So take the natural log of both sides. We have this cancel this sine x. How do we know that? Because from the property, we say that ln of a, the base e, is equals to a. So this cancel, we have sine s, and the natural log of 1 is equals to 0. So we have sine s is equals to 0. And we know that sine is equals to 0. We know that sine 0 degree rather is equals to 0. Therefore, comparing these two brackets, we can just say that x is equals to 0 degree, and we are going to be adding 2k pi, where k is equals to integers, and the integers are -1, 0, 1, and so on. So this is the answer for k, and we can also leave our answer in this form by saying that x is equals to k pi. Don't forget, pi is 180 degree and k stands for the integers. This is still a solution. Guys, we have come to the end of the class. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Either of the two answers.